tight. Stop being ignoring. Why you do stupid things? Feeling tight, thank you. So now you're doing the asparagus dance. Good morning, Philippines!
Magandang morning! Guys, tumubo na pero nakalimutan ko kung anong klase siya. Magandang morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Tumubo na siya. Dito na area. Ito siya dito. So ngayon, nag-ano tayo ng bread. Kasi mag-breakfast tayo. Yan, mag-breakfast tayo. Oops, nasusunog na yung iba. And coffee for Tommy. Ayaw niyang mag-breakfast, guys. May araw ngayon. So, mamaya, guys, magdilig tayo sa garden natin. Dito si Roxy. Magdilig tayo sa labas mamaya kasi kailangan ng tubig. Fireplace is still on and Hubsy Bug's enjoying it. And Tommy's coffee is here. And he is here. And Hubs, are you happy? Are you happy, Baba? Misty is still in bed. The thing is about lettuce, guys. They said lettuce grow. You have to start it in like, you know, April, kind of in here in New York area because the weather. So it start April. So yan. Kain lang ako ng breakfast and then yeah, and then mag-edit, and then I will see you back later on. The next day, guys, ito na yun siya. Hindi pa rin ako nagpakita, guys. So, ito muna yung nakikita ninyo, at saka, yan. Tumaas siya, it's growing, and monkey, happy Easter, happy Easter, right, honey? Easter Sunday.
Happy Easter, guys. Happy Passover if you're Jewish.
Yeah. Hi, guys, good morning. Pakita na ako, guys, oy. Alam nyo, kainin ko, guys, is coffee and biko. Bikohan. Do you want biko? And also, I hit bread for the little man and also for me. So, what's your plan for today?
You already know the plan.
Huh?
You already know the plan to go down to a cemetery.
Okay, what time you're going?
I don't know. Actually, not too late.
Yeah, because we are coming home, right?
Yeah, I may wind up having to go back tomorrow. Or tonight. If Andy was right. I don't know if he's right. Tell him.
I see.
He said it's going to be flooding rain and...
Alis kami, okay? I'm gonna give the cat dry food now. Because we're leaving.
I guess.
Okay. Alis kami, guys. Punta kami sa cemetery, then going to the other house. Gusto talaga niya, guys. Uy, spoiled man dyan na ba? Dada, spoiled you like quicker, ha? Look, tignan nyo. What is this? Is this yours? Is this yours? And is this yours? What is this? Is this a new treat?
Everything in there is mine.
Spoiled ba na, oy? Do you want some of this? Dems, do you want some? Ay, maaga kasi kami, guys. Mag-ano tayo, lagay tayo. Dito ko nilagay yung mga perfume ko, guys. Kasi, dito yung kaibiyanan. Ito, gustong-gusto ko to. Emery. Gustong-gusto ko yung amoy. Where is Dada? It takes forever. Can you drive today?
Yep.
I'll drive going. Hala, that's a big one, baby. Roxy, come! Come here! Good girls!
Hopefully that'll take you a little while.
Yung binili ni Tommy na pillowcase. Look, gumawa ako, guys. For Tommy. And itong garter, kasi wala kaming garter. Ano?
Yes, I'm wearing a garter.
Huh?
It's true, I'm wearing a garter.
It's underwear. Tommy's old underwear. Wait, what's wrong with that? I plan to cut my old pajamas and he just told me no. So because it's very, very old, so I'm willing to cut it. So he said, oh, use my old underwear, and still good underwear.
Yeah, well, no.
Yeah, it's still feel good underwear, and look, and he gave it to me, and it's really thick. It's not thick, it's kind of wide, a garter, so I can cut it. Look, I cut it.
Elastic, not a garter.
It's a garter and it's elastic. And then I have mine here, and then I'm gonna make more. And yeah, so yeah. Hi guys, so andito kami sa Walgreens. Tommy want to buy some flour. Put this on top. Like that.
Most of my hair.
Oh my god, your hair is fine. Where's your glove? Fine. Ito kami guys. Han, what the heck are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Find a place to put this stuff so it fall.
For some reason, you like buying you
I
think.
bought snacks for the road and the cat grass for $3.99. Oh.
So why you buy flowers?
For the cemetery. Well,
Yeah, but that's ready to plant.
It's a plant. It's in a pot.
So, tignan nyo guys, snack daw. Ganito yung diet.
Well, it's just slip the thing up. Looking for it. Stop being ignoring. Why you do stupid things? Like wiped out a jar with your face mask, now you can't put it on your face. Or do you want that on your face? Are those chips any good? Are they crunchy? Are you ticklish? How about you leave, please? Yes, I'm feeling tight, thank you. How would you like to drive? No, I don't want to.
You're stupid. God, I cannot even ignore you, stupid thing. Malapit na kami, guys.
The nurses and first responders on the front lines. The lightning round. Here we go, Carol. How can people compare the best credit cards?
It's right here.
Turn to the nerds.
Should you pay off debt or save for retirement?
Turn to the nerds.
One more. Should I listen to my father-in-law's advice on mortgage lenders?
Your CD.
That would be perfect, Carol.
Yan, may mga building dito, guys.
Money questions, turn to the nerds at nerdwallet.com and MLS ID.
Before I get crazy, like right now. You did so fast. If you don't want to see no fuck, listen to picture. He's the one scrambling up. You around somebody so long, naturally you start to butt heads. Let the shit go. That's how you sleep. My bro, it's the scariest shit. Please. He's old though, man. There's so much shit that pisses me off. Like I'm.
Binili ni Tami. Mixed flour. Can you put this up? Let's put this over there. Kasi sobrang ganda ng flower na to. Okay. Here you go. Flower for you guys. It's flower for mom. For the family. Here it is. I'll put this right here. Ilagay ko lang siya dito para hindi siya mapalid sa hangin. Para hindi siya maano. There's another one. Put it in the side hand that it won't blow up. From this one here. Merong na ano dito, oh. Branches galing dyan. Dito. Oh, they cut the thing over there, but they don't cut over here. Doon, guys, oh, ang daming bulaklak doon. I think, ano yan. Yan, ang daming bulaklak. Okay, guys, pauwi na kami, guys. Doon pa si Tami, nakipag-usap pa siya sa kapatid niya. Gusto ko nang umihi. Oh my God, sakit ng mata ko. Marami akong nakikitang tao dito sa cemetery. Naglagay ng mga cross, flowers. Yan. Hina ako. Sabi ko kay Tami, ang tagal nilang mag-usap. Sabi ko, uwi na tayo kasi kung kaihiyo na yun kay ko ba. Grabe gayon ba. Kaihiyo na kay ko. Kalachuchi man yan. Fountain, oh?
No, yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, there's one big crypt.
Yeah, I see that.
You got that right. Hey, I tore that thing up.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. It's the same dumbass moves that you've been doing.
Hello, guys. We are here. Grabe yung ihi ko, guys. Ang sarap na feeling kapag umihi ka ba na maraming lumulugwa. Nadadala natin. Sabi pa ninyo, hindi mag-expire yung dried fish. So, ang gagawin ko is dalhin ko to sa bahay. Dalhin ko to sa bahay din. Lamb. Ay, mga container na ito. Meron pa kaming mga canned goods. What are you doing, sir? Huh?
A couple of things.
So now he is done feeding. I told him he's ready to leave, and I told him, "Are you not gonna feed your birds?" Because one, I've been seeing this one is standing in front of this statue head.
When I went to put the food down, you see all the ones over there started getting really excited. When I saw all these started getting really excited too.
Who been texting you, baby?
I don't know.
Okay, look at first. God, ang kati ng ano ko, oy, bulbulerts. Next time talaga hindi na ako mag-shave, guys. Hindi na ako magputol ng buhok ng bulbulerts. Kada tubo shave, kada tubo katol. Kada tubo ng buhok makati. Pag tubo, putulin kasi makasakit. Pag tubo na naman masakit. Ano, what?
When you decided to drive.
Because I told you before, you drive going here because we're going direct to the cemetery. If we don't go to the cemetery, I should be driving coming here. That I can drive like this because the car can drive it by itself. Baby, hi, baby love. Hi, hi, baby. Okay, let's go out. Look how lucky is our little man here. Dada got you a catnip, which is a really good catnip, huh? Dada's busy putting all his thing, his sari-sari store. He has a sari-sari mixy store. Sari-sari mix store. Whatever.
Whatever. I'm putting stuff away, you know, on the counter. I'm putting it away.
Thank you, Tommy. It's growing. Look. Aray, agay. Ang KSP man na, ang KSP. Kulong sa pansin man na, oy. You know, magluluto lang ako ng asparagus. Ito yung sa akin tilapia. Sabi ko sa kanya, do you wanna eat tilapia? Sabi niya, no. So, yun, okay. So, pork daw yung sa kanya. So, ngayon, nakichismis sa ama niya. Look. Sa loob ng CR. Roxy, what are you doing?
Coming up in just a moment. First, a look at your weather.
Don't.
It's increasing throughout today, and highs will sit in a comfortable low 60s, and that maybe
Chismosa man ka, oy. Why you always go there? Where are you going? Hoy! Where are you going? You're watching Dada doing his business? Nosy dog.
I'm waiting for Dad. I'm waiting.
So, alis na naman si Tommy.
We go out.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go out with them and call Alan back.
He is busy with the phone, guys. Since we got here, guys, he is in the phone.
Because everybody's like calling me back or something. Yvonne called me, she said to wish you a happy...
Grabe tinatawagan yung mga mga tao na kilala niya noon.
Here's my wife doing her thing. Cooking and watching a cell phone. Because, you know, got off bed. That's it.
I'm watching a
So she's
vlog.
watching a cooking vlog.
No, I'm watching
And she's trying to see if she could do it.
So close.
Ah, it could be close.
Yeah, guys, this is asparagus. Show my asparagus, hon. Look at that,
Oh.
guys.
There it is, green.
Yeah.
You should leave out the salt and just add garlic powder and onion powder. Oh, she paused her phone. Because she can't pay attention right now. So now she's doing the asparagus dance. So now you see.
You know what I'm going to put in here? Come here, hand. Look.
Garlic parmesan. Top shelf.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
I gotta remember to buy more of that.
Or if you can find.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's hard to find, but
Huh?
I'll find it.
Garlic parmesan, right?
Right.
I add more, guys, because I have a lot of...
Of course, you could add garlic powder and Parmesan cheese, which would just be better, but she won't do that either. Puppy. Yellow puppy.
It's lying down over there.
I know.
Go ahead. Go, vlog yan.
What are you doing, puppy? Where's that zoom button?
It's just like lying down over there.
At least lie in the sun.
Thanks. So nice, guys. Smells so good. So greeny. Vegetable-y. So, kakain lang kami, guys. He wants salad, asparagus, pork. You want the rice?
Nope.
He doesn't like me film when eating time. Ito yung dinner
Your
ko.
mother does that, and then you jump on me. You jump on her this time.
Look, and that's my baby's dinner. Let's try the tilapia. Tilapia is good, Han. Do you know that I have a good husband? He clean up dishes. He put everything to the refrigerator. Such a good baby. While I'm washing dishes, when I turn around, the table is empty. He put everything and clean up. Thanks, Han. Lucky. I'm so lucky. He know how to cook. He teach me how to cook. I mean, I know how to cook Filipino simple dish, but he taught me how to make their own dishes. Not a lot, but the one that they always make.
I got to clean something else.
Like what else?
This thing in the microwave is filthy dirty, looks like crap.
Oh, because I cannot see. Oh my God. That's hard. That's the thing about when you are short, guys. You cannot see what's like. Where is your eyes? That's where you only can see. But what's above your eyes, you cannot see. So Tommy is the one.
Everything looks cleaner that way.
Mag-chill-chill lang kami, guys. We're going to watch a movie. Amazon Prime. And, yan, chill lang kami. It's almost 8 o'clock na. And lock sa labas is okay pa rin. So, yun. 7:41. And, guys, tignan nyo, guys. Anyway, bago na to ni Ed. Look. Tumubo agad, oh. Yung ano, green onion tumubo. And then, naglagay ako ng ano nito. Ito siya. So, we're going to end the vlog. My husband is going to say bye-bye and good night.
Bye, guys.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Shrink.
Bye,
Bye,
Han.
guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow, Han.
Bye.
Bye, guys.